Welcome back to another one of my videos. Come across a little problem on my SCOMADI, so we're going to try and do a fix for it. So this one's going out to all the SCOMADI drivers and the Royal Allied drivers, where you get a little broken pin inside your switchgear that locates in the handlebar, and then you get a floppy mirror. Right, here we are with my SCOMADI. Now I've already started on this little job and I got halfway through and I thought, it's a great idea for a little video. So let's do a quickie in the middle of the week and you can have a look at this really easy fix. So what I've got is, we'll look down a little bit closer, and that is really, really annoying. Okay, so what we've done is, first of all, remove the brake lever so we can get access. So this quickly comes off, which obviously I've just had it off anyway, so it's quite quick. And that's a little dry, so that's due a little bit of lubrication, I would say. So once this is off, once your brake lever's off, then we've got access to the back of the switch unit here. Now the first thing I did was to drill through the switch unit and then into the handlebars with a 5mm drill bit. Once that was done, I passed a tap through. You've only got to go through one side of the handlebar, by the way, not all the way through, and damage your switchgear. So that goes through and you tap out the handlebar. Next step is to use a big drill bit and make a countersink in the back of the unit. That's because we're going to use a countersink Allen bolt so it remains flush at the back. Next step, get your countersink Allen bolt, as you can see here, and then that screws in through the back of the switch housing into the handlebar. A little nip up, and voila, handlebar is absolutely solid and it's going nowhere. And if you do crash, it's probably only going to just snap off the bolt and then you'll just pull it out and put a new bolt in it. But this is far stronger than the original because it's drilled in and bolted down, so therefore there's no movement. Right, so what I'm going to do now is just going to pop this back with some lubrication, screw it back into place. Right, here we go. Let's get some grease on our bolt. Work it through here a little bit of grease on that as well. Slip that back in. Let's have a look at our switch unit. These can be very temperamental, these micro switches, and it's always good to give them a little spray while it's off. So we'll just give that a little spray up as well. That'll help. This is corrosion guard, so it's good on electrics as well, and it'll protect our switch unit. Drop this back in. Perfect. Bottom nut on. Okay, and that's that done. Now, at some point I might go through a bit of a service on this, so that'll be a great video for the future, and I'll show you everything that has to be done on a service. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow my channel. See you all later.